bro, the difference on this thing is crazy. Like, well, it's like a little hazy over here, but that's just a reflection. Look how clear, and then you got like a little bit of rainbow on there. Come on, man. It just instantly made the car look way better. I might have to rock the chrome. It's kind of growing on me, but I can't really redo the chrome because I have wax in my car, and I wasn't really thinking that the wax would kind of repel the tape, so I can't get it on there. But this just looks crazy. But we'll be heading to the import faction meet, and I'll be recording there. I'll see you guys later. Oh shit, we got the Aussie. Damn, that 370 is nice. Oh, these cars are too clean, bro.
Too clean.
Too clean.
Might as well sleep now. Nah.
Yo guys, we are out here at the car meet with my boy. How do you say your name?
Briar.
Briar, with my homie.
Briar.
Part of the Rashi gang. What's up, homie?
My name is Joey, guys. What's up?
Joey badass.
My
So
240.
We have 2 cars out here ready. Well, 3. This man don't want to come out. We got hella 350Zs coming out, dude. Check this out. Holy shit. Okay, well, there's just a bunch of cars coming here.
Shout out to Wes, the clean red 370Z. Shout out to Wes.
You see rainy road, it's all the tools embedded in my chest piece. On my arm, especially you need to bring catastrophe. All my squad be waiting up for me to come and take the lead. Now we headed out in your direction just to check on things. Who these niggas think they talking to? I make them run from me. When I pull up, she in slow motion while she run to me. I don't give no fuck about none of you boys, you won't be seen with me. You rappers talking shit, but you still wanna feature me. All my niggas smoking where we are, you can't say anything. Gundam gas laced inside my blood, I'm
had to cut these bitches off, and honestly I feel so weak. Niggas lying and they taking all the sauce from my steaks. To that bitch I need some space and some time to fucking breathe. Had to get my mind right and get this money by the night. Diamonds on my neck and it's hurting cause of frostbites. I'ma go, I'ma get it, I won't run from my dreams. If I can't, I'ma steal it with my motherfucking beam. All I'm eating is the money and that paper color green.
Shout out to my man Cliff. Hope you guys enjoy some of those pools. Oh wait, we got some more cars coming in though. No, ain't nobody want to see the Fiat or the Jeep.
Hey, let's see the Fiat. That might be the Fiat I was talking about earlier.
What, the 500 horsepower one?
No, fuck that. That looks like him though. Hey,
Oh, TSX boys!
boy!
Let's go!
Hey!
Mustang gang is like leaving right now. It's about to get some crazy ass content.
Stang thing, bro.
Hopefully none of them crash.
Yeah,
or
hopefully
do a
we
flip.
live. Hopefully they won't hit us.
This will protect me. Yeah, parking. Oh, that sounds great. Got a couple more people pulling in. You guys backed up off there. Hello, S2000.
Dude,
He almost crashed.
You almost went in the fucking...
I know. baby. This meet is so lit right now. Look at all these cars. Still pretty live. I think everyone's about to leave though. Seems like that way.
I wonder if that Hellcat guy's gonna pull out or no.
There's no Hellcats
I
here.
want to leave, but it seems like
Yeah, that one right there.
Yo guys, I hope you enjoyed what's of the video. I feel like I only got like 5 minutes of footage and I'm probably gonna cut it to like 2. But it was a pretty good meet, you know, my first meet by myself, bringing my car. Really good experience, met people there. And I also got to see Nikki and Cliff Media, shout out to them. But that's gonna be the end of the video. I don't know if I'm gonna add anything. I did wash my car, but I didn't get to plastic dip anything because, well, if I had the plastic dip shit, the tape would have to stick to my car, and I put wax on my car, so no tape's not gonna stick on there. I'm gonna show you guys how clear these oh my, that's a big baka roach. Look how clear this is. You can't really tell. Hold on. Before it was just hazy, but now it's like really mint. I'm happy with how it looks. I did a pretty bad job. Damn, you can even see some of the cars that are at the car meet, the highway over there. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe if you're new, and peace. I love you all.
But they still wanna feature me. Bitch, come watch me laugh while I deny a heart.